Tens of thousands of individuals are dying of drug overdoses every year. Addiction affects everyone, and there's no socioeconomic status, race, gender, sexual orientation. Addiction destroys families, communities, it destroys futures. Sometimes we see kids as young as 10, 11, or 12 that are starting to use. Does not matter. Addiction affects us all. The kids we help at Chestnut are good kids. They've got lots of challenges out there.
It's very common in the folks that we treat to see that they've experienced abuse or trauma or neglect at a young age, and that can have a serious impact on their ability to cope with normal everyday problems and makes substance use a little bit more convenient as a coping tool.
Some of the youth that come to us are coming because they've gotten in trouble with the law. Our goal would be to reach those kids before they get into the system.
I would rather see anybody go into treatment rather than the judicial system, especially children. Sometimes going into the judicial system, prison is a Band-Aid. We'd much rather see people go to Chestnut and solve some of these problems long term.
There's no perfect family, but sometimes you seem to do all the right things and still addiction finds a way.
They care so much about all of their clients. It's amazing what they do, and we are incredibly lucky to have them in our county.
A youth may come to us for an addiction issue, but they also have a maybe undiagnosed mental health disorder. For them to be successful, everything has to be treated.
Our treatment model is called the Adolescent Community Reinforcement Approach, which is an evidence-based treatment. This approach really helps individuals develop a healthy, reinforcing lifestyle without the use of drugs or alcohol. The key features of the treatment involve access to a physician, the prescriber services to help issues that needed medications, the support of a primary counselor and a treatment team, access to family counseling, and individual therapy, and group therapy to work with peers around developing this healthy, reinforcing lifestyle. We have a well-integrated educational program that provides a full day of school programming so that it gives them an opportunity to get back on track. Healthy recreation is really a key aspect of ongoing recovery and sobriety. And we're happy to offer those types of leisure activities to our clients while they're here.
Chestnut focuses on the whole patient, mind and body. Chestnut never wants money to stand in the way of somebody getting treatment. And it falls in line with the values we have as a nonprofit. If you're struggling with addiction, if you feel alone, Chestnut's here for you. We're a family. We're here to help. It's easier than you think. All you have to do is make that phone call. Come be a part of our family.